Hello YouTube. This is how to fix your Pioneer DV-440, a DVD player from 2001 for making a grinding whirring sound. I'm about to show you how to fix this. It is very simple. Now there's a total of 6 screws. There's one screw here, another screw on this side, and 4 screws on the back. So the first screw you're going to have to take out is this one up here, another screw that's above the power connector, and the last one that's right next to it, this one. And you should just be able to lift it out easily. And now the fix. So there's this tiny screw right here. What happens is that this tiny screw here, if it gets tightened, that's what causes the grinding noise. So to fix this, all you need to do is to just turn it a very tiny bit, and that should be good enough. And now I'm going to show you that this does actually work. So let me just put back the DVD. And as you can see, it doesn't make any kind of sounds at all. It's just very silent. Well, other than the laser, but I mean, you're probably not going to even notice it if you're watching movies. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully this worked for your DVD player or any other similar type mechanism. And yeah, have a good day and see you next time.